Hey guys, it's me, your senior educator, Mr. Ajay Maske Patil. Today we are enjoying interview session. Here is Dr. Vijay and here is IAS officer, Mr. Bhagwat Sarge. Am I right?
Yes,
Sarge?
yes, yes.
Yeah. So today we are conducting interview sessions like that. Some questions. I have given a topic to Dr. Vijay and also same topic I have provided to IAS officer, Mr. Sarge. So both
Sarji.
Sarji, yeah? Sarji. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. Okay. They have prepared on that topic. They have mentioned some questions. They have made some questions. They will ask one another, and I will help them. I will definitely help them, and they will tackle the situation. Look, guys, you know that everyone is applying for job. We are in Indians. We are Indians. We live in India. India having a lot of population. That's mean overpopulated country. And in this era, everyone wants job. During job, the first type of your job is like that interview. All of you know that. What is the interview? Interview is just a simple method. They check your body language. They check your fundamental skills like body language, eye contact, gesture, posture. Another thing is your confidence. And the most important thing, interview. Check in your interview. Attitude is everything. Here is interview, that's mean that camera is your interview and they both have prepared some unique and dominant topic. They will elucidate some points. Okay? Are you ready, guys?
We are going to meet Mr. Bhagwat. He has cleared a UPSC exam with first rank. Firstly, congratulations, Mr. Bhagwat, for getting a huge success.
Thank you.
Firstly, I wanted to ask you, Mr. Bhagwat, how you start your journey?
When I was suffering from my bad patch, that time I have decided I have to clear UPSC exam, and I have started the preparation of the exam, and now I have cleared the exam with first rank.
In this journey, many students face the ups and downs. How you stay self-motivated?
Sorry, pardon me.
In this journey, many students face the ups and downs in their journey. How you stay self-motivated in the beautiful journey?
Yeah, that's simple. When you are clear about your target, that time you don't need to do another's motivation. So I was clear about target, so I maintain my motivation.
Yeah. At the end of the exam, I think you will got a first rank in this exam.
No, it's more than my expectation. So I'm happy about first time.
How many hours you studied regularly?
Average 12 hours.
Yeah. Is there consistency matters?
Yeah, definitely consistency matter. Regularly on the base per day I was doing 10 hours, but in the weekend I was doing more than 10 hours. So I have told average 12 hours.
Yeah. Which subject you have good command?
Obviously, my optional subject anthropology. Anthropology because in the UPSC preparation and the UPSC exam, the anthropology was the best scoring subject for me, and obviously I have that interest, so I have chosen that.
Would you elaborate some points about anthropology?
Anthropology because in the anthropology, why that glamorous to me? Because when I look towards the Indian culture or other countries' culture and human behavior and psychology, that time I found that what is the base subject to all humankinds. So I have found that anthropology can give me such a opportunity to found many basic points and some interesting knowledge about human being. So I have chosen that anthropology.
Are you joined any institute to crack this exam?
Yeah, initial stage I have joined that unique academy, Pune,
Yeah.
but the academy was not good to me. So
I have prepared self-prepared. Yeah.
I have said
Yeah.
When you start your beautiful journey as an IAS officer, what's your first plan?
when a person clear UPSC exam, that time he after 2 years training, 18 months training, he joined as assistant collector. After that, 5 to 6 years, he become full authority collector.
He will get a charge of. He will get a charge
He will get the charge of
as a
whole
collector.
district
Yeah, as a collector.
as a collector. And that time when I get full charge, that time firstly I focus on education system in my working area. After that, health sectors I'll tackle. These are my 2 points. And also environment.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, another one.
How will you stop corruption in your district? Any plan in your mind?
Yeah, when we increase the use of technology, and at that time we can tackle the corruption. I can tackle the corruption in my district level. So my focus is to increase the use of technology.
Now you got a first rank, so you are the inspiration or role model for many students who are preparing for
CSE exams.
CSE.
CS exam. What do you want to say then?
There is no shortcut. There is no shortcut. And when we doing hard work, at that time simultaneously we have to do smart work.
Yeah.
How you prepared your pre-exam?
Pre-exam, there was no any such criteria, or there was no any specific idea about my mind. First, when I started my preparation, that time I was focusing on mains. In that mains preparation, simultaneously, my pre-exams preparation has been cleared.
Thank you. Are you cleared this exam in first attempt?
Yeah, I have cleared the first.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Which books you used for your mains exam?
Mains exam, particularly, I told you for the optional subject. For the optional subject, I follow the Simplified Anthropology by Vivek Basmi sir, Dr. Vivek Basmi sir. And secondly, online notes.
Yeah. How many years you are prepared for this exam?
3 years for
After graduation, 3 years.
after graduation.
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
So you are cracked in this exam in very young age.
No, it's too late. 30 means it's too late. I think
No, it's not too late. It's proper time.
it's an average time.
Don't speak negative things in front of camera, yeah? Just he is conducting your interview, that time you should say positive things, Don't show your negative qualities in such a way, okay? Yeah.
And
Because